Not at all. We don't think so. We don't promote rape. We are against it. And when a client comes here having lost her virginity, the reason, regardless of what the reason is, even if it is rape or it can be, other reasons. Now, we have never tried to exploit them. We give them the options, we tell them what we can do about the available services, and it is the parents and the girls who decide what they want to do and what services they would like to get from us. There is no case of exploitation here, and certainly we don't condone rape, neither do we encourage rape of anybody. Not at all. I think there was some discussion in the internet when we advertised saying Atavaraya. Atavaraya is a single word. Atavaraya, when I checked about the meaning of Atavaraya, that is abuse. So it might be abuse by anybody, and it might also include rape. However, Atavaraya is actually a very broad term. Manasikava ho sharirikava. That means physically or mentally, if you've been abused, then Atavaraya has happened to you. It is also important to realize that when you say Atavarayata lakvu, girls immediately identify that with the loss of virginity, and they understand what we are trying to say. And it's possible that a girl might have lost her virginity due to masturbation, self-inflicted in that situation. So even that is included in the term Atavaraya, because due to my own actions I have become abused, or Atavarayata lakuna. So in that situation, girls come here seeking treatment or help, and it is our duty to provide that treatment. And we do not promote rape, or we do not promote the rape culture. And when we advertise, we are not trying to exploit. We are actually trying to help these girls.